I am praying for a W, guys. We need a W because Beater Box Fridays haven't been as turned up as I want them to be. I think in week 12, we finally got like off of that losing streak of straight up bad boxes. This is gonna be week 13 of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. And for the box today, I actually have a $1,500 Soul Supremacy Beater box. So stay tuned, guys, because Sneaker Mystery Box Friday is in full effect right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a $1,500 Soul Supremacy Beater box on Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. Before we get into the video though, I do want to let you guys know that this video is proudly brought to you by Privacy.com. Privacy.com is an amazing technology that was seemingly built for sneakerheads because it allows you to buy sneakers and everything else online using virtual credit cards. So that means you don't actually need to give away your information onto any of like these sites because you're using a virtual credit card rather than your own credit card. This protects your identity, it protects your bank information. It is a wonderful, wonderful tool. And with the recent stuff that we've seen with some sneaker apps that won't be named, you guys should know what I'm talking about. It is essential if you guys are buying and selling sneakers. So I'll talk about that a little bit more later in the video, so stay tuned for that, man. But before we get to Privacy.com, we need to open up the Sneaker Mystery Box. So let us get into that. Like I said, this one's $1,500 from Soul Supremacy. Ugh, a lot of Yeezys in here. A lot of Yeezys in here. By the way, if any of you guys know where to pick up a better knife, let me know, because this one is not cutting it anymore. Like literally, no pun intended. It's not really cutting things anymore. So let me know where like a good, I guess, knife for like this kind of box openings and stuff are, because yeah, I need something different. Whoa. And it looks like we have some kind of like Oreo looking Jordan 9, man. This is super beat up though. This one is in a size 13, some kind of like Oreo colorway. But you guys can see this thing is beat. It is beat up. A lot of scuffs over here, a lot of discoloration on the bottoms. Not very good over here. I mean, it's still a Jordan, so hopefully it fetches some value. Hopefully somebody can like ball up in these. I don't really know too many people that play in Jordan 9s, but I mean, if that's your cup of tea, this one's for you. Size 13. Check it out on titlewarrior.com. Next up, we have a KD box. KD8, size 9.5. This looks to be a dead stock sneaker, guys. You guys can check it out over here. KD8. It's a low basketball sneaker, and this one looks to be in dead stock condition. No problems here. I don't see any dirt at all. It was retailing for 180 bucks, so hopefully we can get that money back, but the KD market is not a good market for selling sneakers, so I'm assuming probably not. However, you can never really complain with dead stock sneakers because these things are pretty easy to sell. There's always a buyer for sneakers. So even if it's not like hype, brand new, it'll still sell. Okay, so I think we should just grab one of these Yeezy boxes already to get it out of the way. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 size 5. So size 5 is actually a pretty good size. And we have a pair of the Yeezy Beluga 2.0s in very, very solid condition. Does look to be worn, but that is some white boost, making it a very, very good sneaker. The inside additionally looks like the insoles are perfectly intact. It is a very good sneaker to cop for less because you're buying it used. Looks like we have a couple Yeezy boxes in here actually. There's like a huge cut in the box, so damage box. It is in a size 8.5 though. Yeezy Clays, interesting. One of the more recent releases that just came out over here. And it has like that see-through stripe, orange heel tab on the back, bottoms. I mean, it's dirty, but again, checking out the boost looks solid. Yeezy Clay market, not very good, but it's still a Yeezy, so there will be at least maybe a couple $100 on this, so pretty good right there. Nike box over here, Nike Lab Air Max 1 Pinnacle, size 9.5. I kind of like this. It's like a premium Air Max. I've never seen this sneaker before, but this is like very, very premium leather. You guys can hopefully catch it on the camera up there. A very clean aesthetic, dude. I like this a lot. Wish this was in a 10.5 actually, because I think I would have kept this. Sale Nike Lab Air Max 1 Pinnacle. Pinnacle series is usually the premium leather series, so that makes sense now. Okay, we got like 4 shoes left in here. This one is a Jordan 5 box. I've seen this one before, and it's a size 9. Comes with the bag and Jordan card. And you guys can see over here, it is another premium leather shoe. Like this one, again, the material on this is really solid. However, not a big fan of this colorway, and I don't think a lot of people are. Even though there's quality materials on this Jordan 5, and like the leather is very, very solid. It's just not a super nice aesthetic. I also think that the retail was like $400, which makes it like really expensive, or 300 something. And that's way too expensive to begin with. So like on resale, nobody wants to pay more for a shoe that's not really hyped at all. That's why it's important, guys. If you guys haven't been watching Art of the Flip series, I highly recommend you guys check that out. That is a series where I tell you guys about like how I sell sneakers and stuff, and how you guys can make money selling sneakers. So check that out. 3 shoes left. This one is a Jordan 4 model in a size 8.5. Nice. This is what I thought it was gonna be. A Jordan 4 royalty. I want to say it was like either tried on or worn once. Maybe worn once, because these bottoms are very clean. But check it out over here. Jordan 4 royalty. A very slept on shoe in the beginning. Like a lot of people were hyping these up, and when they got them in hand, they said the quality was bad. But since then, they've been shooting up in value quite a bit. So this is as close as you guys can get probably to like brand new royalty 4s without paying that brand new price. So this one is a steal in my opinion. And like I said, just look at this colorway. This thing is fire. It was very, very slept on. So I don't know why people slept on this. 2 shoes left. Both of them are height. This one is a size, okay, not that height. It's a size 9 Yeezy. Everybody's favorite colorway, the butter. Bottoms on the boost look not too bad. Upper looks fine. Insides are kind of worn. For a used pair, this probably is not that much. It might be going for 200. Steal if you guys want some worn Yeezys, but I just don't think the colorway itself is that good. And then the last shoe, very excited for this one, guys, because I saw the box, and from finally like doing a lot of these beater boxes, like I can kind of tell like what is hype and what isn't hype just from looking at like the quick glance of the box. I knew this one is hype unless it's a replacement box, which would make no sense. This shoe right here, I guess the theme of the box is premium, because this is a Jordan 13 Premio size 9. Premio Jordan 13s, otherwise known as like the BIN 23 series. It is a very fire sneaker and a very clean colorway, to be honest. You guys can check it out up here. It says BIN 23 with like this red stamp, and you guys can see over here there's only 1,734 pairs made. This one is pair 231, making it very, very exclusive. And it does look like it comes with the BIN 23 sneaker bag. So these are cool. I think that they're supposed to come with like custom shoe trees and stuff too, but I don't see that in here. Man, people actually bought these things from Nike at $175. They're definitely a lot more than $175 now. So whoever got this, that was a steal, dude. So that is a fire way to end the box, man. Very classic Jordan model right there. You don't see that every day. That's the first time I've ever seen this like in person, actually. So that is it for the box, guys. Got nothing left in there. Overall, how I was feeling about the box, I think we came back finally. We had 3 Yeezys and a Premio Jordan, plus a lot of like other hype kind of sneakers. So I think we did good on this box. I felt pretty good. I felt good at least. So we'll see. One thing I don't feel good about though is people potentially stealing my identity. And you guys should know by now, in the sneaker world, there was a huge debacle with a certain company. I won't name any names, but I actually made a whole video of it up here that recently was hacked. And since there was 6.2 million names hacked, chances are that you might have been on that list if you sell sneakers. And if you were on that list, that means there is a chance that your information is being bought and sold on the dark web. Your name, your billing information, your street address, your phone numbers, it could all be out there, man. And it actually could have all been avoided if you guys had privacy.com. Because privacy.com is a technology that allows you to create virtual credit cards, keeping your bank information private and secure. For example, if you guys are purchasing from like a sneaker app frequently, you can actually create a merchant card that can be used as many times as you would like, while ensuring that if a breach does happen, you won't be put at risk because it's not your normal credit card. You're using a virtual credit card provided by privacy.com. It's completely free and super easy to set up on your phone or web browser. And on top of that, you're able to create these awesome things called burner cards that can be used once on a website and then immediately closed right after. This is important, guys, because if you had a burner card or if you use like a merchant card, either way, like if you had that on that app, then you wouldn't have all your valuable information like out there to be like taken by some kind of dark web hacker. So protect yourself and your bank information by heading over to privacy.com/untied today to sign up for a free account. What's even better is that if you use that link in the description and you head over to privacy.com/untied, you will actually be eligible to get $5 off your first purchase when you guys use a virtual card through privacy.com. That's right, guys. Free money for sneakers. $5 off any kind of sneakers. You guys can go to nike.com. You guys can buy from sneaker apps. $5 off. I think that's pretty cool. And again, it's completely free. So why would you guys not want to have your information protected while still getting money back? So don't miss out, guys, and head over to privacy.com/untied so you guys can start buying sneakers safely today. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching through the whole video and for hanging out with me on Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. And if you guys enjoy Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays and you guys can't wait for week 14, feel free to hit that like button as well. Anyway, guys, until next episode, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on that next video. Aloha. Shoots!